If you've never made $100,000 in one single year, come closer. And in this video, I'm going to be revealing to you how you can make $100,000 in 2023 and even beyond. You see, your first $100,000 is the hardest, and that's facts. Because if you're coming from the mindset of two people, one, you have a 9-to-5 job that you work at, and two, you've never worked a job, you are starting a side hustle and you're looking to make money with. Here's the thing, nothing or no one prepares you for entrepreneurship. And as much as we glamorize it, there are things you don't know about it. So this is what I will do if I were to make $100,000 online for the first time. And I want to do this in a calendar year. So let's break it down. There are 3 steps to do this. And if you follow all 3 steps, I can guarantee you that by this time next year, you will come and comment on this video that yes, you made $100,000 or even more. Ready? Let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is learn a skill. Now you might be looking at me crazy because most people will tell you start a business, but no. You need certain skill sets, even if you are going to start a business. So here's the thing, you want to learn a skill that is in demand, that people will pay you for. And one of the skill sets that is highly in demand right now is short form video content, clipping, curation, and editing, right? That's just one aspect. People will keep creating videos on YouTube, so you can also learn thumbnail editing, you can learn advertising, but learn a skill set that is highly in demand, right? Now, once you learn that skill, find someone who already has an established business that you can work with. When you do this, and say for instance, you find someone who can pay you at least bare minimum of $1,500 a month. Now, let me even make this better for you. If for instance, you can run ads for someone and you have spent 3-4 months getting good at it, now each skill set has the level of proficiency that you need to master for you to pitch someone. But let's say you become intermediate. You're not pro, but you're better than a beginner, right? So for instance, let's say you're good with video editing, right? If you can help someone clip short form contents from their YouTube videos and you can send it to them and you help them, post it on TikTok or IG Reels, which increases their reach. If they sell a product or if they sell a service and they sell something for at least, if they are selling a service, they sell it for at least $2,000, or if they're selling a product, they sell it for at least $100. So if they sell a product and it goes for $100, that means if they pay you $1,500, they need to make 15 sales to recover the money that they pay you, right? But because you are creating and clipping short form videos for them, you can do that and it will increase their reach, obviously. So they have a tendency of making more than that. So it is a win-win. And that's just an instant. Now, once you do this, if you have 2, 3, 4 clients that are paying you $1,500, if you have 4 clients that are paying you $1,600, that's $6,000, right? Now, the best part about this is you can find someone who even does this service. You just find a way to acquire the clients. Someone does the service fulfillment, you do the client acquisition, and you deliver to the client an amazing result. So if you have if you have $6,000 that you're generating a month, and let's say after all expenses and everything, you make $5,000 a month and stuff, that's $60,000 in 1 year, if at that. Right? Now let's even make it better. You already have something that can make you $60,000 a year. Now, you want to make an extra $40,000, right? The next step that you have to do will be productize your knowledge. So you're already good at this thing. You're already good at delivering this service. You now want to create a digital product that teaches your framework and process. This serves 2 purposes. You have this product that if someone comes into your business because you want to transition from being a freelancer to being an agency owner. So if someone comes into your business, they can learn how you do this, and it makes it faster for them to go through the process. Or you can sell this to other people and they learn that process. Maybe video editing, email marketing, whatever it is. When you get to that point, and if, for instance, you sell it for at least, at bare minimum, $100, right? If you make one sale every single day for 30 days, you make $3,000, right? Now, $3,000 every single month plus $6,000 from the client service nets you how much? $9,000. And when you look at it, 9,000 times 12 gives you how much? It gives you $96,000. And you see, we're just $4,000 away from making $100,000 in one single year. So you now have money and cash flow that you are generating. Now the goal is, how do you make money outside of your time? The first aspect is the digital product. Now, you can decide to sell a physical product that solves a problem or that helps people get a certain desired outcome, right? And when you can do this, and if all you did was sell something that has $50 profit margin every single day, right? If you can sell 4 units, that's $200, right? If you sell for $200, if you get $200 profit that goes to your bank account every single day, you make how much in a month? $6,000. So now let's look at it. How much are you potentially able to make? $6,000 from the client acquisition, $6,000 from the physical product, and then you sell something for $100, you make like $3,000. So in total, you make $15,000 every single month. Voila, you just passed $100,000 a year. Now the thing is this, a lot of people will listen to this, but only few will take action on it. And I just gave you a blueprint and roadmap. But here's where it even gets interesting. If you would like to learn how we are going to build a brand from $0 to $1 million and we will be documenting it, you should sign up for my membership, right? It is $97 a month. And you will see how we are building a brand from $0 to $1 million. Plus, we will have calls where my friends who already have successful e-commerce brands will show you will tell you what they have done and what they are doing to build successful brands. We'll have media buyers that will share strategies on how they are generating sales with paid traffic. And then we will have a few of my friends who are masters at organic traffic, and they will share with you strategy. And we'll be doing this in the monthly membership. And for how much? Less than $4 a day, for $97 a month. Now, people pay me $25,000 a month to even learn any strategy from me. But you get access to this for $97 a month. If that sounds as something that you're interested in, then check the attached comment to this video and go sign up to it. It's going to change your life, for sure. Because you will see several testimonials attached to this video, to the video on the landing page. And this is not a magic pill. It's not a get rich quick scheme. But if you study what I am sharing with you, you will definitely get results. Now go watch this video where I talk about the 4 books that made me a multi-millionaire in my 20s. And make sure you sign up for the membership. See you in the next video.